Daddy, where is Mommy? Yeah, I want Mommy.
Oh, don't cry, don't cry. Mommy will come soon. Hey, I have an idea. Who wants story? Okay, once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess. Ooh, somebody's coming.
Mommy! Hello, boys and girls. Mommy's at home. Oh, my feet are so tired. Where are my slippers? Yippee! Mommy! Thank you, my little sunshine. Come to Mommy. I missed you so much. Well, how was your day with Daddy?
Well, the day was long.
Well, I'm glad you had a great time together.
I'm starving. My tummy said it's time for dinner. I'll check our fridge. Oh my goodness! It's so empty. What we gonna do now?
Oh, don't worry, Stuart. I bought a pizza. Yeah!
Phew! You saved the dinner, honey.
It's time for dinner, and I have to change my clothes. Let's set up the table. Tablecloth. Another tablecloth. Fresh bouquet of flowers. Napkins. And the pizza. Plates. Sparkling water for Daddy. Apple cranberry sparkling water for Mommy. Fun hot chocolate with marshmallows for Lily and Peter too. Well, the dinner table is ready. Welcome everyone. Ooh, look at the pizza. It looks like a heart. Let's cut it. A slice of pepperoni pizza for Mommy. A slice of pepperoni pizza for Daddy. One slice for Peter. And one for Lily. Let's get started. Yummy. Cheers. Come on, it's time to sleep. Come on, Lily, Peter. Say goodnight to Daddy.
Good night, little sunshines.
Good night, Daddy.
Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, good night, everyone.
Hey, where are your pajamas? Ah, there they are. Peter, you're the first. And now Lily. Go to your bed, babies. Good night, Mommy. Good night, Mommy. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Here's your bottle, darling. And the bottle of my little prince. Sweet dreams, Lily and Peter. Mommy loves you.